To find the arc length L of a sector of a circle, we can use the formula L equals r theta, where r is the radius of the circle and theta is the angle in radians contained by the sector. Now let's take this example. Find the length of the arc of a circle of radius 1.8 cm given that the arc subtended an angle of 0.7 radians at the center of the circle. Now here we know the radius is 1.8 cm, so r equals 1.8 cm. And given that the arc subtends an angle of 0.7 radians at the center of the circle, then theta equals 0.7 radians. Then using the formula L equals r theta, L equals 1.8 times 0.7 equals 1.26 centimeters. So the arc length is 1.26 centimeters. Now let's take a look at a few more examples. An arc of a circle with length 2.7 centimeters and radius 6 centimeters subtends an angle of theta radians at the center of the circle. Calculate the value of theta. So here we know the arc length as 2.7 centimeters, so L equals 2.7 centimeters, and the radius is 6 centimeters, so r equals 6 centimeters. Now here we can use the formula L equals r theta to find the value of theta. So 2.7 equals 6 times theta. Theta equals 2.7 divided by 6 equals 0.45 radians. An arc of a circle with length 10 cm and radius r cm subtends an angle of 0.6 radians at the center of the circle. Calculate the value of r. So here the arc length is 10 cm, so L equals 10 cm, and the angle the arc subtends at the center of the circle is 0.6 radians, so theta equals 0.6 radians. Now using the formula L equals r theta, 10 equals r times 0.6. r equals 10 divided by 0.6, r equals 50 over 3 centimeters. Moving on to another example, calculate the value of L. Now the diagram here shows a sector of a circle with an arc AB and center O. Here this has a radius of 6 centimeters and the length of the arc AB is L. And the chord AB has a length 6 centimeters. Now since we know the radius is 6 centimeters, then the length of OA is 6 centimeters and the length of OB is also 6 centimeters. Now let's label this angle theta. Here since we know the length of OA, OB and the chord AB, we can use the cosine rule to calculate the angle theta. So using this version of the cosine rule, cos A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. Cos theta equals 6 squared plus 6 squared minus 6 squared over 2 times 6 times 6. Cos theta equals 36 over 72. Cos theta equals 1 over 2. Taking the inverse of cosine, theta equals cos inverse 1 over 2. Theta equals pi over 3 radians. Here I gave the value of theta in radians because when using the formula L equals r theta, theta is in radians. Now since we know the angle theta and the radius as 6 centimeters, we can use the formula L equals r theta to calculate the length of the arc AB. So r equals 6 centimeters and theta equals pi over 3 radians, then L equals 6 times pi over 3 equals 2 pi centimeters. Let's take a look at another example. Calculate the perimeter of the sector AOB. So the diagram here shows the sector AOB of a circle with radius 15 centimeters and an angle of 0.8 radians subtended by the arc AB at the center of the circle. Now the perimeter of this sector is OA plus OB plus arc AB. Since we know the radius is 15 centimeters, the length of OA is 15 centimeters and OB is also 15 centimeters. Now to calculate the length of the arc AB, we can use the formula L equals r theta. So r equals 15 centimeters and theta equals 0.8 radians. L equals 15 times 0.8 equals 12 centimeters. So the length of the arc AB is 12 centimeters. And hence the perimeter of the sector AOB is 15 centimeters plus 15 centimeters plus 12 centimeters equals 42 centimeters.